Have a good day, friends. Today, this video, I would like to introduce the latest Hello Watch 2, the music smartwatch. Follow us on the YouTube channel to get the latest news and the latest information. The Hello Watch 2 has the compass and the local music play and the body temperature test. The watch uses a magnetic wireless charger. This function is same as the Apple Watch Ultra. And now let's take a look at the parameter of the size. The length is 49 mm. And the height is 14 mm. The width is 43 mm. The size parameters are very similar to the Apple Watch Ultra. Let's take a look at the appearance at first. A 2.2-inch TFT display, a real temperature sensor on the back, and 4 screws on the corners, 2 band locks on the back. The case is very similar to the Apple Watch Ultra, and speaker and the yellow button. The rectangle on the right is the power button. It will show hello on the screen when start. The start is very fast. When lowering the run button on the right, you can feel the vibration of the motor. The touch panel responding speed is very fast. The responding is as soon as possible, the Apple Watch Ultra. Compass function, the true compass sensor inside. The first time to use, you may need to calibrate the sensor. The body temperature is available on this smartwatch. Let's try to test the temperature on my wrist, 36.7. And I will try to test my temperature. Use a temperature tester. The test result prove that the smartwatch has a real temperature sensor. 180 sports mode available on the watch. Let's take a look at the sports screen. The parameter of the sports, such as the calories and the distance, heart rate. It can also support the music control, both the local music and the Bluetooth music. It's amazing. The smartwatch also support to connect to the Bluetooth earphone. In the later test, I will show how to connect to a Bluetooth sunglass. The application of the watch is the QI Fit. Both support the Android phone and iPhone. In this test, I take the Android phone, install the QI Fit from the Google Play Store, and then connect the Hello Watch 2 to the smartphone via Bluetooth. Start scanning on the smartphone, then you can find the Bluetooth name display on the screen, then click to connect the Hello Watch 2. Now the setup is finished. There is a pop-up on the smartphone, just proof. Let's take a look at the download music to the watch. This function is very useful if you want to download the MP3 music on your smartphone to the smartwatch. Then take this function, go to the local music, and then you can choose the MP3 music on your smartphone. Take the song you want to download. It will start the transformation automatically. Now the song is downloading to the smartwatch via the Bluetooth. We just need to wait for the downloading finish. It may take some time because the Bluetooth speed is not very fast. It may take 2 or 3 minutes. Now the download is finished. You can see the song name is shown on the screen. Just click the play and pause button. You will start to play the song on the smartwatch. Rolling the run button to change the volume up or volume down. It's very easy to control the music and the volume. There is another amazing function. The Hello Watch 2 can connect to a Bluetooth earphone. In this demonstration, I would like to connect the smartwatch to the Bluetooth sunglass, a smart sunglass from my store. Now I have to connect the smartwatch to the earphone. Oh my god, the sounds come out from the speaker of the smart sunglass. The sounds come out on the sunglass instead of the smartwatch at this moment, because I connect the smartwatch to the Bluetooth earphone. Make a conclusion. This watch is very useful on the music play and other sensors. If you want more information, follow the small channel. Thank you.